In Ella, the business portal of Austrian Post, you can conveniently manage and oversee all your postal matters online, such as your invoices or shipping orders. From here, you can also access the Parcel-Zone, where you find everything you need for your parcel shipping. The shipment overview displays your items from the past 12 months. By clicking the gear icon, you can access the column settings to show, hide or rearrange columns as you wish. Customize your view and export your parcel data as a CSV file. Looking for specific items? The extensive filter options make it easy to find it. Clicking the info icon opens all details of a shipment, including shipment history, parcel picture and signature. Via More Actions, you will find a range of services. Here you can start an item inquiry or respond to a clarification. In the menu under Clarifications and Item Inquiries, you always keep a clear overview of all your items, with full sorting and filtering options. Click on Pickup Orders if you want to request or view return pickups. And under Reporting, you will find insightful statistics. In the Ella User Management section, you have full control who can access which data. The Parcel-Zone of Austrian Post. Clear, simple, fast. Discover all features for yourself now.